Let's talk distracted driving. What do you think it is?
Mostly people on their phones.
People texting on the steering wheel like this.
I see people eating, drinking.
Reaching down to get your coffee cup.
Changing clothes in the car.
Reading books.
I saw someone brushing their teeth once, which was mind-blowing.
Driving with their knees, holding a bowl with a spoon, eating their cereal while they're driving.
Don't do that.
What is distracted driving?
So distracted driving is engaging in any activity that takes your focus off the task at hand, and in this case that would be driving. So there's some really obvious examples of distracted driving: cell phone, but some other less obvious examples. You would have passengers, kids can be a huge distraction, changing the controls in the vehicle, adjusting the radio, your mirrors, or even doing full-on makeup using your rearview mirror.
I drink tea in the car. I don't eat in the car because I do consider that a distraction. I always get way too into it.
Actually, I don't eat while I'm in the city driving because I think there's just a lot of traffic.
I don't think you could eat and drink and do that type of thing in the city like this because you got too much stuff going on peripherally that you'd need to pay attention to.
Your sandwich falls on your lap and you panic and you're not looking at the road.
Eating food can be a huge distraction in the vehicle. You may think that eating some French fries is easy and not a big deal, but as soon as you drop a French fry, your attention to what you should be doing, it's going to be split.
What is the top cause of collisions in Saskatchewan?
Distracted driving, when rated amongst all collisions, is number one for a human factor.
According to statistics obtained from SGI for 2018, the number of collisions related to distracted driving totaled 6,039. There were 774 injuries and 22 deaths as a direct result of distracted driving. Time for some real talk. What do you do with your phone when you go driving?
It's in my purse.
Pocket or glove compartment.
Put it in the console.
Do you interact with your phone at all while you're driving?
Possibly.
I scream when I see other people do it, but once in a while I do. I'm going to be honest.
At a stoplight, I'll look at it. That's about it.
I hate to admit it, but periodically, yes.
I yell at Siri to change the song.
So I never use it in the vehicle.
Where could your phone go while you're driving?
Put it in my purse in the back seat.
Hide it.
Or throw it in the trunk.
Put it in my purse and not look at it at all. Out of sight, out of mind.
So if you're having a hard time putting your phone away or keeping it off or not grabbing your phone, you can put it in the glove box. Putting it in the back seat and turning it off completely will help you avoid that distraction.
I mean, I'm trying to set a good example for my kids, and they are probably the ones that would say to me, "Mom, put your phone down."
And so being in your vehicle and putting your phone away for 15 minutes to get to a destination can be difficult for some, but make the smart and educated decision.
Let's make better choices, and together we can create a province of safety excellence.